cautious, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability.
Morning, Dom Dom. Good morning, Zishan. How are we doing this morning? Not really liking this chart. Might just go lower on contracts today. Especially because I don't really have any drawdown. Well, I have drawdown. But as you can see, we got the payout on the other one, and they took the money out last night or this morning. But we're making new highs, which is what we don't like to see. Steve said he was going to be here this morning. Morning to Mimi. YouTube clout? What are you talking about? What's up, Alex? Good morning. Quick approval. No, I really think it was the well, first off, it was like the last day, so they probably already went through a bunch of them. And I also think it's that first one. The first one takes a little bit. I think once you get past the first one, they probably like see your name and see you already had one, so it's a little bit easier. I don't know that for sure, obviously, but Dom Dom, I also noticed that you joined the YouTube channel. Thanks, man. I just saw the little thing. It says you did it 4 days ago. I don't know why. Were we live when you did it? Because it should have came through and popped up. You think what's the first time? Yeah, dude, I love the little sniper emoji. Off stream, okay. I was gonna say it should have popped up saying that you did it. Well, thanks, man. Appreciate the support. I got about a minute and a half here. Yeah, I'm thinking I might go to 5 contracts, but then part of me is like, just do it. I don't really like where I'd have to put the orders. Morning, Scott. Here we go. That's it. I went in and found it. First payout? Yeah. That hit a while ago. It was last week or something like, or maybe even 2 weeks ago now. Maybe it was just last week. All right. I think we're just gonna go for it. That's not where I want that. Oh, doesn't matter. Alright, we'll take that. My short, I thought I clicked a little bit lower than I did, but it didn't matter. It's perfect. Gives us our drawdown back as well. More on the I want to count. It actually almost puts us at payout again. If we get one more trade like that, we'll basically be back at payout. Why couldn't yesterday be like that? Would have made today even sweeter. But it's all good. I'm happy. I'm happy I got over my fear of going for it just because the way the chart looked. Because a lot of times you do get the continuation. As long as it wasn't like actually making highs as it was about to hit the bell, I felt okay. It was trying to pull back a little bit. So that made me feel like if it did start to go higher, you'd get a little bit of triggers from the shorts just covering real quick. GG, man. That's it. Hopefully Steve was around. Yeah, I thought he said he was going to be here this morning. JD had earnings. It was really good, so I'm expecting to be up quite a bit. Oh, wow, yeah. Up like 300 bucks in options right now. I'm going to try to sell a call. Let me see what they look like at the moment. Oh, they're coming back down, of course. Jeez. They're steady climbing over 25 this morning, and then they just tank at the bell. Are you on the phone, Steve? Did you get the trade at least? There's no way that that's it. I really just do not like JD. Although, okay, so it's going based off the mid price. That'll probably change throughout the morning. Oh, you're on the road? I thought you were home today. I thought you said Wednesday you were home. I mean, I'm probably just assuming things. I thought you had said you were. Usually, I gotcha. Something pop up today? It's my break even 26. Come on, JD, you can do it. Get back up to the highs. I have to at least try to get back up to 25. Try to get a covered call at 26 for Friday. That's where my break even on this thing is. Little move down here. Hal at 10 o'clock. Thank you. Good to know. Oh, that's right. He's doing all that crap today. Oh, that sucks, Sean. Did it over cover or oversell, I should say? Oh, big down move here. Trying to be patient here with JD. I was hoping to see if we could get back up towards 25. I'd like to try to sell a covered call. Alex, you got both sides? Hell yeah, man. Good stuff. You're good, you're green? Sweet. Good stuff, good stuff. Oh yeah, I wanted to do something in stream elements today. I forgot. I wanted to link my video that I just put out yesterday. Good stuff, Alex. Are you talking about the opening range trade? Since you said got both sides, or you just went long at the open and just went short? Like I don't think I really asked you what your edge was yesterday. Yeah, nice. Good stuff, good stuff. Jeez, I cleaned up the Discord a little bit with the channels. Oh, you got short at the open? So you actually lost on the first trade, but then you went short again. I mean, you dirty boy. Yeah, I see that. Well, don't go crazy trying to get it back. You know how that usually plays out. That's why they call me Trade for Science. I love it. Trade for Science. What if I had a theme song like Bill Nye the Science Guy if I had a YouTube channel? It's funny you say that because I've actually thought about that in the past, but I never actually did it. I thought it was too cheesy. There it is. Okay. But what would it be? I'm curious now. Oh, it was back when I was trading stocks, so it doesn't really matter. What's up, Marius? Where's Froggo at? I feel like I haven't seen him in a while. You know, since yesterday. I miss my Froggo. I wanted to pet him today. I'm here. I woke up late. Gotcha. Usually you say hi instead of lurking. You can get GDT. You can pet GDT at me, but I'll bite you and attack you. Yep, PAL is at 10. Feels like the chop sideways is telling us that. That's what the market is waiting for. Crap, I forgot about JD. It's going up, so that's good. See what it does at the highs here. All right, covered call on JD sold at 20 strike of 26 for 33. Pretty happy with that. If it goes up higher and I have to roll, that is a good thing. But Alpine will gamble that I close my Quantower, don't want to be involved. Oh. Well, yeah, he blew the one account, so he'll probably try to pass an eval or something. Let's see. 3-6. It's doing that. It's supposed to be 26. Oh, wait. Yeah. Nvidia chugging along, just making new highs. Really? Dang, man. Go back to the daily. It gapped up too. I wonder if it's just starting to squeeze now. It's probably been squeezing since like 650, to be honest. When it rebroke the highs at 750, I mean, it might just be squeezing since then. That's just crazy. Yeah, I see that. Do you still have JD? Yes. Yeah, it's what I was just doing. Tesla and Nvidia have Nvidia chips in their car. Nvidia are not. They don't sell chips. They're graphics, like graphics cards. Intel and AMD are the chips. But I mean, I guess they could have Nvidia cards per se, and I don't know if they're using Nvidia for their screens. Wow, look at Tesla. That was actually up pre-market, and now they're getting smashed again. Morgan Stanley cuts price target on Tesla from 320 or to 320 from 345. I'm paying attention to Tesla. I really actually want it to dip below 175 after Friday, because I will have enough. I'll probably get a leap option on Tesla once my options on Oxy and Hood expire on Friday, which they both look like they're going to expire worthless, which is It's not great because they're covered calls. I wish I'd had to roll them, but at the same time, I'm not going to be upset taking the premium and then moving out because I really, really, really would love to move. Actually, those are covered calls, so this shouldn't be affecting anything. Oh, okay. So my cat. Oh, so that was from Carnival. I have enough to do it now if I really wanted to. That was from Carnival and Intel. I'm over 27,000, by the way. Look at this. Oh, it just went back under. It's the first time I got over the 2.7 mark. Let's see if it clicks back up real quick. That's it. The top's in. You didn't even get to see it. Hey, there it is. Not bad. Not bad making money while I'm quote unquote learning. Take out the 27K and buy a Tesla. So I'm being really passive with this money because me and the wife have also came to an agreement that this is kind of our emergency fund because I could take this out whenever I needed to. So in order for me to buy the Tesla with like tax money and from selling the house, we'll still have money, a little bit of money left over from that as well. But the idea is we have that little nest egg just in case, which is that money. Not gonna lie though, I have been looking at the Model Ys and I'm really starting to want the performance instead of the long range. Just seeing that 0 to 60 time, it's bringing back my childhood a little bit. And it's cheaper to do. You get a lower 0 to 60 from the performance versus paying the extra $2,000 for the software upgrade boost or whatever it is if you get the long range, which then that's, I think, does that lower your mileage? I never even thought about that. Does the software upgrade or boost up? Or range. Does acceleration boost effect range? No. So that's like the big difference. But I think the big difference between the performance and the long range, as far as the range goes, is the wheels. Pretty sure it's the wheels. I also heard in a video I was watching this morning, I think the performance, you can't rotate the tires because one tire is wider than the other, I think. What? All tires are the same size? No, they're not. Oh, according, let me see if I can find the video. Is Pal talking? Yeah, 10 o'clock. Al is talking and people ain't liking it. They're not liking it. Oh yeah, I wanted to see if anyone was gambling on this. If they did, they should have been fine because that went a decent amount. Well, I don't know if you're going for the full eval. Oh, I just turned it on. It says he chased it. And he basically bottom ticked it. If this continues to go up, he's screwed. I don't know if he's on an eval or not though. It's not looking good for him. The way he's oh, it is. Oh wow, he copy traded 2 PAs. Oh, that's not good. He needs this to, and he added to it. He needs this to come back down. Did he add 2? I'm confused. If this breaks this candle, he's probably screwed. I think it'll get him. Yep. I can't really tell. He's got 3 contracts. I don't quite. He's like, my opening range trade, I made 5 grand. I just want to let you guys know. Yeah, he's in these with PAs. I'm so confused how he's in 3 contracts, and when it goes against him that little bit, it's only like a couple $100. I swear I have 1 contract and it goes against me and it's like $300. I don't get that at all. I swear watching him, I'm like, how does he do that with so many contracts? He'll be fine though. This is coming back down. He should be good. I think he had to have taken 2 at the bottom, I guess. All right, he took 1 off, which was ended up. Oh, but he just added it back. Oh wait, he's copy trading like 4 accounts. I just don't understand how it doesn't make sense that he can get away with trading, because it's news, right? Like that's, I don't know. Whatever. I mean, he keeps doing it and he keeps getting paid, so. He's being really aggressive with it. He keeps adding his contracts back. He's taking them off, but then he keeps adding them like right back on the pop. If this goes up, like he's pretty screwed. Because now he's back in 3 contracts. But he already said he was gonna blow the accounts like 3 times, so he'll be fine. That's like his way of getting out of trades. Like he just says, "Oh, those accounts are gone," and then the trade works out anyway. Yeah, I'm sure he'll be fine. All I was saying is I don't understand how he can have 3 contracts. I watched it go against him a pretty decent amount, but it only went down like $300 total. It doesn't make any sense. I swear I'm in 1 contract and that shit, I'm down $300 like instantly. Oh yeah, look, he's gonna be fine. His first entry though, he literally like bottom ticked it. Yeah, he's gonna escape these. He got lucky. Not gonna lie, he definitely got lucky. This came back down when it was up here. If that would have went up even just above here, I mean, he in theory should have lost the accounts. And it was 4 accounts, 4 PAs. He was copy trading 4 of them. I'm in 1 and it's instantly admin. Yeah, like he took 2 contracts down at the bottom and it went all the way up here. He added 1 like somewhere around here and it went all the way up here and he was only down like 1,500. Like that makes no sense to me. Crazy. Wait, now he's long? I'm confused. You mean long? I'm confused at what he's... Oh, he reversed to long, I think. But he's only... I don't know. I'm so confused at what he's doing. I'm sure it'll be fine. I'm sure he'll be fine. I can't trade on no sleep. He's up $7,000 at the moment. Just end stream. You're good. He keeps saying he's short, but I think he means long. Alpine. Yeah, I'm gonna get back to the tire sizes. I'm just watching Alpine self-destruct a little bit. He's kind of in a position like I was where you want to say something to Apex about what happened. He's saying this is the worst loss of his career, bro. It's 3 PA accounts. It's not even that big of a deal. He's literally turning into Patrick Wheeland. The way he like flips out about random stuff. He wasn't even this upset when he lost the 10 PA accounts or whatever. But he's in 3 contracts and he's still only down 2,000 and his average is like way up here. His average is like way up here. He's in 3 contracts and he's still not busted. I don't understand that. I don't understand how he can withstand these moves. He needs this to get back into green area. If this bounces off of here and comes back down, he's probably screwed. Oh, it went right through it. It'll V straight up. He said if he survives this, he's giving away $100 and calling it a stream. The accounts are almost like at the top of that candle. His accounts were almost all the way back up to green. So I'm so like it just. I don't understand how he hangs in. I don't get it. I swear, man. I get in one contract and that thing makes a move like this. I blow the account. He cannot help to brag. Oh, look at that. B straight back up to where he needs to be. Now, if this were to come all the way back down, that would be kind of funny. Doesn't the Model Y with 21-inch rims have a wider tire on the rear? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's the performance one. Most of your models and trim levels of the Tesla Model Y come with either blah, blah, blah. However, performance models are typically staggered with 35 R21s on the front, or 255s on the front and 275s on the rear. See? So if you get the performance, you can't rotate the tires. That was like one of the downfalls of it. Well, you can't rotate them anyway just because of the size. So he had the opportunity right there to get out, essentially break even. But it looks like he's going to get the bounce anyway. Oh, gotcha. Yeah. So you're saying, like, with the camber? There's probably some camber or some bullshit.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be, living in a time where disease is on every screen, I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering,
Steve.
for the mentally weak, no mercy, all I got is working, never stop searching, never quench the thirsty, I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it, it's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Oh, to last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving, got my foot on gas, never stop competing, if you break like glass, then this life's
I don't understand. Like, he has 3 accounts on the line. Not that big of a deal. But he's saying it's going to be the worst loss of his prop trading career. I don't quite understand. He just lost like 10 PA accounts last week. Like, how is this the worst? I'm so confused.
I just wanna be iconic, sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, if I ever play I want it.
Yeah, like seriously, he's turning into Patrick Wieland.
Those who are toxic, keep 'em out your face, no way, you don't want 'em, Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything, it's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease, but I won't let it get to me,
I don't know. All he does is complain, 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 and then the trade usually ends up working out anyway. That's the funny part. Steve, I don't even want to hear it. Don't tell me. That's the thing. You're trying to scalp, right? And I'm sitting here watching Alpine averaging in and crap and somehow surviving. Yet you're going to tell me you blew an account or something just from scalping one contract? That's what I'm saying. It doesn't make any sense. Did you blow the account or you hit a max loss? I don't know exactly if you had one set, etc. Just save it, man. Save it for the opening trade. He cracks me up. Oh, those accounts are gone. Worst trades of my life. Fucking somehow he escapes every time. It's funny. Trying to bleed the well dry. Meanwhile, Nutty's over here. Looks like he didn't take any trades. Let's see. Model Y, long range versus performance. There's so many AI videos, it's annoying. Like, once I hear the AI voice, I just click off. So Steve, what was the damage? Just one account? Hopefully? I'm hoping you weren't copy trading. You blew all three? Damn it, Steve. So they're not blown. They all have 500 in drawdown left. I wish you were here for the open, man, because then you wouldn't even have been tempted. It's frustrating. Gotcha. Well, I'm sorry. Hopefully the opening trade works tomorrow and we can get back up to where you were. Especially because it was news. Stay away from the news. That's for everybody. Because the thing with news, it's like they could say something initially and you start trying to play the chart based off of what they said initially, and then they could say something else during the news that completely just swings everything. I'll never forget one time I was watching The Spy back when I was trading stocks, and it just tanked. And it was like trying to go lower and go lower and go lower, but the speech or whatever that was happening was still going. And then he said, I think it was Fed Powell that was talking as well. And then he said something, and I mean the market took off to the upside. And it was just, that's what I'm, yeah, the news, man, it's dangerous. Oh well, all we can do is learn from it. How chopped up Steven. Yeah. Yeah, it's a meme. Funny, right? It's legal. I'll never understand it, but they continue to let them do it. Like, what insider information are they not allowed to know, right? Like that's the part that I want to know. That's what I'm saying. Like what are they not allowed to know? I don't that's what I want to know. I wasn't charging you at position related to trading and you trade. You okay? I mean, that's a bit extreme, but I mean, it is ridiculous, though. I don't quite understand how they're allowed to do that. Makes no sense to me. For Tesla being a tech company and stuff, their website is just straight trash. It's so slow. Don't forget to get your Powerball and Mega Millions tickets. Aren't they like way up there right now? Someone just asked me if I wanted to do it. Let's see, Powerball, 485 mil. That's not high enough. I always say I wait for the billions. Mega Millions is 687. Bought yours yesterday. Do you buy them from your own store? I guess why wouldn't you, right? You get the little bit of a kickback. I always laugh when I see it's a winner from California. Like, yep, they got the max amount out of it. Like the really big winners, they're always California. Someone tipped me with a $20 Powerball ticket. You don't get a cut anymore? What? What's the point of having them in the store? Just to get people to come in the store? Wow, they got to the point where they think they're better there. Tim, can you buy one with the money he owes me? Yeah. Still waiting for the PayPal. It's funny because I could take the chance, like all the times you have donated, I feel like I could just go find that email address and send it there and see what happens, but the question is, can GDT make it to the giveaway this week? 2 days. I wonder if GDT will he remember me. You can buy lottery tickets online now? How? Imagine they started allowing people to use credit cards for lottery tickets. Oh, that'd be the end of the economy. Wait, what? I'll say, yeah, it had to be a debit card. There's no way. That's like, I'm pretty sure that's illegal. I see it as a taxing event. Yep, Arkansas. Texas not on the list? Which list? I know we were looking at a list. Oh, you know what? I never changed my thing to 71%, did I? I am such a bad streamer. Oh, buying lottery tickets online? I feel like that should not be a thing. Here it is. Like 25. Remember the first time you went to sign up for an eval and you like sat there and read everything and now you just click all the boxes? kind of funny. Let me see if you can in Maryland. Buy MD lottery tickets online. Subscriptions for Mega Million. Subscriptions? What do you mean subscriptions? What? Create a subscription. What? What is this? You can. If you haven't already, you must first become a My Lottery Rewards member by registering here. Oh my god. You can do this from the app? You can buy lottery tickets from the app. You don't even have to go to the store anymore. What do you... What's that for? Dude, I have zero prejudice against any nipples. I need to take that webcam down so I stop looking at it. Dude, what's wrong with pepperoni nipples? There's nothing wrong with pepperoni nipples. I knew a girl in high school that I dated for a little while that had pepperoni nipples. They were just fine. There's nothing wrong. There is nothing wrong with them. They feel just as amazing. Look just as amazing. Feel just as amazing. All right, let me see. Purchase now, Mega Millions. Oh, it's my dad's. I have my dad's stuff saved. Oh, it didn't work though. All right, that's like his super old info. I didn't even know that. I don't even think he uses that anymore. All right, let's see. I know I have an account because I used to check scratch off tickets. Let me see if it actually, nope. Maybe I don't have an account. Maybe I just have the app where you can check it. Let's see, register. Not gonna lie, for the random every once in a while that I do play the lottery, this would be a lot easier than having to run to the promotional code. What is there a promotional code for? MD lottery promotional code. Get 33 Maryland lottery promo code. What does that even mean? You should have bought it. I was going to, but it didn't. It didn't log me in. Get 64% off $255,000 plus orders. What? Creating a country of degens? Yeah, we are. I have a feeling that wasn't even from... Yeah, it definitely wasn't from Z-Shot. That's funny. I had a feeling once I heard what it said that it was from exactly who it was from. Alright, let me just pick one of these. Enjoy hot sale items, get big discount with code. Try all Maryland lottery codes. I don't even know like what you would get. Enjoy $1 off on $5 plus. No code needed. A lot of these aren't even like codes. All right, let's just try this one. I have no idea. Just put it in there and see what happens. Drawing results. Mega Millions Powerball. That's all I care about. Jackpot alerts. Alert me when multi-match reaches or exceeds. Oh, here we go. Alert me when Powerball reaches or exceeds. Oh, this is only 100 mil though. I want it to be $1 billion. Or at least like 700 million. All right, I don't want the alert then. All right. Registration. The promotional code that you have entered is invalid. I'll just get rid of it. No, I don't. I hate when they do that. When you do something wrong and then it re-clicks the promo button, and you have to unclick it again. It's like, yo, come on. All right. No, I don't want the drawing results every time. I'm glad it didn't go through. All right. Register. All right. Verification. Yeah, I'm gonna check my options real quick, see how they're doing. Oh wow, JD is actually doing really good. Crap, I might have to roll that, which is fine. Having the roll a covered call is perfectly fine with me. Although I probably could have got a lot more for it now. Not too much more. Where was I? Here. Oh yeah, verification. To complete your registration, simply visit the link below. What's up, Knives? Good morning. Good afternoon. Good morning. Good follow for the lottery. I use ChatGPT to pick lottery numbers. Oh my god. All right. Let's log in. Welcome to the new My Lottery Rewards. Oh, you have to put your social security or last four in. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. There's a lot. There we go. All right. I think we're finally here. All right. What is promotions? Enter Home Run Riches. Bases loaded tickets for a chance to be selected as the contestant of the game. Multiply your winnings. Chance to win up to 2 million. All right. I don't care about any of this. Where is the drawings? How do I get back to the Maryland Lottery? There we go. All right. Mega Millions. Oh, it's not letting me click it. All right. Let's see. Games. Mega Millions. There we go. How to play, how to claim, additional rules, never miss a promotion. Where do I get the tickets? Don't tell me I did all that and now I can't even get the tickets. I was on a thing where it said purchase. Mega Millions online. Oh yeah, subscriptions. I had to find the subscriptions. Maryland. What did I search? Maryland Mega Millions online. Let's try that. Yeah, subscriptions. Isn't that what I hit last time? You're gonna do all this and then not be able to buy online. It said subscriptions though. It was on the Maryland lottery site. But now that I'm signed up, it doesn't even. Subscriptions allow you to play the same numbers in each drawing for up to 52 weeks. What games are available? It says it right here. Mega Millions and Powerball. How do I purchase a subscription? All subscription orders must be placed through the Maryland Lottery's My Lottery Rewards. Okay, so let me click this. I need to go to My Lottery Rewards, apparently. Okay. Store. Maybe it's store? Art? No. Ah! My account, draw points, prize points. Here we go. Subscriptions. Create subscription. Yes. Yes. All right. Mega Millions. Purchase now. 26 draws for 13 weeks. Add to cart. Dude, I'm telling you could totally do this. Let's see. Pick your numbers or quick pick. Quick pick. But I don't want the same ones every week. 104 draws, 52 weeks. You can literally pay for it for 52 weeks if you wanted to. 32 weeks. But I don't want 13 weeks. All right, let's just see if it says add to cart. I'm just going to see if I could do it. Check out. Wait, no group. What does this mean? I'm going to take a screenshot of these numbers. And if they are the winning numbers, I'm going to cry. Look, I'm gonna even show them to you guys, so I have it live on stream here. These are the numbers: 4, 15, 16, 50, 55, with the Mega Millions Powerball or bonus ball, whatever they call it, 16. I'm gonna cry if that ends up being the numbers. I'm gonna take a quick little screenshot so I can reference it. Save. All right, save that. All right, check out. Let's see what happens. Name of this purchase. Yeah, whatever. Confirm. Oh, wait. Why is it saying confirm subscription? How am I going to pay for it? All right, I don't know if I like this. What's going to happen when I hit confirm subscription? I'm not doing it. That seems a little weird. I don't have a card on the account. They gonna send me a bill or something? My profile. I'm trying to see if there's even a way to put a card in. Change email, change password for impulses, rewards, wins. No, there's nothing. There's an order history, but help. How it works. Frequently asked questions. Let's see. Subscription. Here we go. How do I purchase a subscription? Must be placed that can be accessed on the internet. Mail the subscription purchase form with your check or money order. No cash. So you're creating a subscription that you then have to print out and send in the mail. GDT 100% wins. I wasn't really trying to say he was wrong at all, but the way they have that all laid out is just dumb. That is dumb if I've ever came across the word dumb. What? You know, I just noticed Alpine, his title says six-figure trader. Like, dude, this guy is... I was Xing out of stuff and I noticed it said six figure. I was like, what video was I watching that said six figure? No, that's Alpine stream. GDT was right. He's always right. Oh, if he's been, I should have just trusted him, but I was already through the process. I wanted to see it through. But it's definitely, I knew I could trust GDT. I just wanted to see it for myself. Oh, they did a little sweep on Tesla under that 175. They dropped it to what, 173, under 174, and they popped it back up. I was really hoping we got a nice dive down towards 150. I think if this got like near 160, I think I definitely would have done something there. Oh God. All right, Zishan, come here. If that's what you want. Oh, I love it. All right, I need to go to the bathroom. When you tip, you can change the name. You can make it look like you're anybody essentially. Kind of funny actually. What? Oh, that's 250. I was like, what? You actually looked at your bank account? Oh, that's great. That's a win right there. Oh, I love it. That's funny. Yeah, that was pretty funny. Therapist said to avoid gonna be. Alright, I really need to go to the bathroom and I need a refill. It's gonna do something. I forgot what it was. Quick. Oh, I remember. I wanted to check on David, see how David's doing today. Where is he? Oh, Nutty's $34 away from another payout, it looks like. Oh no, David. Uh-oh. Oh wait, he's already out of the trade. I saw red and 4 figures, but he's already out of the trade. RVSN. Got him. Did he post a chart? Alex killed that chart. David did not. He didn't post it yet though. Oh wait, yeah, he did. Ugh. Looks like a good thing he cut it where he did. Looks like he would have hit max loss. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I want to be first. Work till it hurts. I'm assuming you didn't trade that, Justin? That looks like that would not have been a good trade. Or easy trade, I should say. Small. Okay, good. Yeah, David David started that way early, it looks like. All right, I gotta go to the bathroom. Be right back. I'll go buy a lottery ticket and a candy bar. Tim, reading the chat from your phone when you went to buy the candy bar? No, I don't think so. I think I just read it when I got back.
Nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to
never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen, oh the irony. To hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest to go-getters. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
It's gonna V right back up to the highs, huh? Fed Pal is a chump, they say. Excuse me. Guys, I don't even know why. I need to stop looking at this. I don't need the performance. It would be nice to have, but I don't need it. It sounds like there's just like this. The suspension's firmer, which I have kids in the car most of the time. I'm very rarely ever going to be driving it myself. So even when I would use it, it would go through tires faster. The wheels that come with it, the wheels and tires are different sizes. Like, probably going to be more maintenance down the road. It sounds like a headache. If anything, I'd rather just pay the extra $2,000 and get the performance boost while having all the other stuff with the regular long range. I think that's definitely the route that I don't need to go that much faster. If anything, I can just get in someone else's Tesla that has it if I really want to. Decision made. Just for the speed, just for the 18 to 27-year-old that's still inside of me somewhere. That's all. No other good reason. Well, the more and more I watch these videos, the more and more I realized I would never use it. That was my exact thought. Having the headache of the possibilities of everything else that comes with it, it just doesn't make sense. The whole reason I'm getting the car is for the family. So, like I said, if I really want the extra little bit of speed, I can always just get that performance boost through the software. Yeah. And I've driven one before, so I know it's fast enough. Yeah, no, I agree. Couldn't you just spend that money on the long range model? Have the same extra battery as the performance? Well, yeah, but the performance comes with, I think it's a different battery that gives you a little bit more. So you get the long range. It's $2,000. You can get a performance boost, and it comes pretty close to the performance speeds, but not the exact same. The performance is still faster. But I'm wondering if it's just the same because the software update doesn't want it to be as fast, because then people wouldn't buy the performance. But for the performance, you're essentially paying for the wheels. There's a couple things that look different, and the suspension is lowered. So that's literally the only differences. If I have a PA account went from 50K to 51, if I go back under 50, am I liquidated? No. It's 2,500. So if you want the 51, you started at 47,500. So if you went up 1,000, you're now at 48,500. It should, if you have RTrader Pro open, it'll tell you. There's a column that says auto liquidate threshold value. I just scheduled a demo drive for noon today. I'm gonna go drive it again just to see if it's what I really want, because I'm starting to get the itch to just order it. You heard my answer, right, Marius? If you're still here. Gotcha, gotcha. Wait, what? You just lost it that quick? Later, Zishan. I'm actually getting ready to get out of here too. I'm gonna go do that test drive. Demo drive, whatever it's called. It said it was only 30 minutes this time, not an hour, so I don't know what that's all about. Wait, so you got above 51 and went back down below 50 and it liquidated? With the Fed speaking? Oh, you're talking about earlier at 10 o'clock? That sucks, man. I'm sorry. Damn. Weren't you like really close to getting the payout too? It says no later than 1 hour after your schedule. Damn, man. Ugh. 9 trading days. Couldn't you have just flipped them for the last 2? It doesn't matter now. I'm sorry. That sucks. Over the day is gray on Rhythmic. Does it say admin or active? Under the status. Just because it's gray doesn't mean anything. I think that just does that when it's highlighted or whatever. Like, see here where it says status? See how they say active? Does it say active for you or does it say admin? You're talking about in the trader dashboard on our Trader Pro? So if you right click inside there, like where the white is, there's a thing that says add remove columns. Click on that, and then it should be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th one down. It says status. Make sure that's checked. And then you just hit OK. Admin is definitely not what you wanted to see. Yeah, it means it's blown. I'm sorry, man. It's part of the process, unfortunately. But if you want to talk about it, message me on Discord. I'm gonna go do this test drive thing. I will be back tomorrow morning. We can talk about it then if you don't want to talk about it now. But I will see you all tomorrow morning. Appreciate you being here, and have a good rest of your day.